You can use Gemini on Gmail, on Google Docs, on Google Slides, and many other Google apps. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can enable this AI feature on various Google products. Okay, so in order to be able to access Gemini, you must be in the Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra plan, which is going to cost you somewhere between $20 per month or $250 per month. But you don't have to pay for anything, because alternatively, you can join Google Workspace Labs program, and then you can navigate to this URL and then, read some agreement, and then you can use your account. And basically, after that, you can join Google Workspace Labs program, and it will grant you access to Gemini on various Google products. And after that, you can go to gemini.google.com and then click this button, click Settings and Help, go to Apps, and then you can enable Google Workspace right here. Just click this toggle button and then click Connect. And basically, once you enable this feature, you can access Gemini on Gmail, Google Docs, Google Keep, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Tasks, and many other Google Workspace tools. So, for example, if I go to, let's say, Google Drive, you'll see there's going to be the Gemini button on the top right area of the screen. I can click this button, and it will give me access to Gemini, and I can use it to summarize a folder or tell me anything about any particular file on my Google Drive account. And depending on what tool you're using, the function of Gemini could be different. For example, in Gemini Google Slides, you can use it to generate a picture. On Gemini Google Docs, you can use it to summarize or even create a new document. So the use case will be different depending on what AI tool or what app you're using on your Google account. But basically, you just need to open the Gemini menu and you can chat with Gemini and do a lot of amazing things. So that's basically how you can enable Gemini on various Google tools, especially Google Workspace. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.